Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete and reinstall AOL Mail on your iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your phone and go ahead and look for AOL Mail app. Long press on the AOL Mail. Then you'll see three options popping up on your screen: Edit Home Screen, Share App and Remove App. Go ahead and select Remove App and tap on Delete App option. Then select Delete from your screen. Now once you do that, go ahead, open your Apple App Store where you can see options like Today, Games, Apps, Arcade and Search. Tap on Search. Now go ahead and type in AOL and tap on Search. Now it's gonna suggest you AOL Mail News, Weather and Video. Go ahead and select the backup option right beside the AOL icon. Then your phone will start reinstalling the AOL Mail. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete and reinstall AOL Mail on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.